Crime Stoppers is seeking the community's assistance for information on a burglary and theft incident that occurred at the Kingfisher Restaurant and Golf Shop in Talofofo. On early Thursday morning, October 21st, 2010, thieves smashed the glass door and glass window of the restaurant. This allowed the suspect or suspects to gain entry into the gift shop. The cash register was broken into and over $200 cash stolen, along with some shirts and miscellaneous gift items. The Department of Public Safety and Crime Stoppers are seeking help from the public. Please contact the Crime Stoppers hotline at 234-7272 should you want to remain anonymous, or use our website at nmicrimestoppers.com. Crime Stoppers pays up to $1,000 for any information leading to an arrest. It pays to call.